Shirtless. First time through this whole journey so far. And we're just moving our body here a little bit. So this is a workout here. If you'd like to join in, we're going to for just about 10 minutes-ish. And again, I'm a little sick today, so join in with me if you like. If you're also sick and you need to have a workout, feel free. Otherwise, you can also head over to my YouTube and check out the workouts there. They're a little bit more longer. There's much more to go after. But right now, not feeling that well. Taking care of my body, and really checking in that we're not pushing the sickness throughout our whole system, but really rather just making small movements, making some stretches, feeling that you can at least release some tension around your body, right? So start to move your shoulders forward and upward, backward and down. We're starting standing here today. Your shoulders forward, upward, backward and down. By the way, my name is Marcel. I'm teaching yoga every day. So feel free to join in with me. I also was hurt already, so I couldn't do any yoga throughout this 500 days or where we are right now. So slowly we're reaching 500. I'm not sure what we're going to do when we're at 500, by the way. So that's another kind of like thing we need to figure out. So check in with your shoulders, how they're feeling, how your wrists feeling. Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders, and bring your fingers together. Start to circle your wrist. Start to circle your wrist. Good. Interlace your fingers softly. There's no need to grab on a lot here. Release, shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders, bring your arms up over your shoulders a little bit. Claw your fingers in and open your fingers up again. Clawing in, open up. No need to go really like exhausting yourself today, but rather feeling your body. Good, and don't forget to smile. Good, release, shake your wrists out, your elbows, your shoulders. And from here, we push our hips to the left a little bit. We reach with our left hand to the right. Engage your belly. So belly button in and up. Tuck your chin in. You're leaning to the side. How does that feel? You really feel how your right side gets compressed. The left side is long from the bottom of your foot to the top of your hand. And change around. Breathing out. Breathing in. As you're leaning to your other side. Again. Draw your belly button in and up. Tuck your chin in. Good. Release. From here, bring the right leg to the back, to the side, on the outer edge of your foot. Then we're grabbing around with your left hand around your right wrist, and we're leaning to the left. One more time. Push your hips out to the right, and we're leaning to the left. Engage your belly button in. Tuck your chin in. Good job. From there, release. Change around, other side, left leg to the back and to the side. Grab around with your right hand around your left wrist. Push your hips out to the left, lean to the right. Engage your belly, tuck your chin in, leaning to the right. Wonderful. Breathing in deep into your belly, into your chest. And release, come up. Shake your wrists out, shake your elbows, shake your shoulders. How does your body feel? Really not pushing ourselves too much here, but rather listening into our body. So bring one leg forward, the other leg to the back, bend your back knee, hinge from your hips, so long from the hips to your head, get long from your hips to your head, push your butt to the back. Good, your front leg is straight, keep your knee a little bit engaged, lean forward, get long from your hips to your head. Hey Mika. Hug from a safe distance. Appreciate that, Mika. We're here the first time shirtless here, doing yoga. Good to have you. We're not going for too long. Breathe in deep, get long from your hips to your head. Now as you're breathing out, change around, bring your other leg forward, and bend your back leg. Get long from your hips to your head. Breathing in deep and then lean forward. Hinge at your hips. You know, it really, I already miss teaching yoga if I really am sick. I miss teaching yoga in the mornings. It gives me so much energy, I really miss it. Even if I just let one day go, I really miss it, and it's annoying that I'm sick. But it's how it is, you know. Kind of like accept it. The moment. Feel the stretch in your front leg here. Front thigh. Breathe in deep into your belly, into your chest. And breathing out, releasing. Bring your feet to the side of the mat. Second toes are pointing forward. If you lift your arms up by your sides, make sure that the wrists are over your hips. Your wrists are over your ankles. From there, push your butt to the back. Lean forward. Feel the length from your hips to your head. Draw the belly in and up a little bit, and make sure your back is not rounding. How is your day going, Mika? So good to have you today. So good to have you. And then slowly release down. Place your hands on the floor. Good. How does that feel? Rounding your whole back here. We're not going to be here for too long. We're just going one time over to your right toes, saying hello to your right toes. And then saying hello to your left toes. Keep your thighs somewhat a little bit engaged. We're just connecting with our whole body here today. And then slowly come up, bring one hand up to your thigh, the other hand up to your thigh, and start to step in left, right, left. Shake your legs out, shake your arms, your wrists. And from here, we just look over your right shoulder. Just look over your right shoulder and take a deep breath in, as good as it works for you today. And then breathing out. Looking over your left shoulder. You maybe see that my energy is a little bit down because I'm currently sick. But maybe you're also sick, and maybe that's exactly the lesson that you need. So I'm excited to teach you that lesson. Now bring your right ear to your right shoulder, tuck your chin in a little bit, and again work with your breath here. Deep in. And breathing out, release your head forward and down. Change the side, left ear to the left shoulder. Feel a stretch from your right shoulder to your right ear. Breathe in deep. Release your head forward and down. And pick your head up again. Good job. Shake your wrists out, shake your feet. We're already slowly coming to a close, you know. But really, before we go there, jump out of your knees. Release your shoulders and your neck. Let them jump a little. And we're not going further today. We're just jumping here. Jump out of your knees. Release your shoulders and your neck. Of course, if you like to intensify, you can. But I'm not doing that. I'm just kind of like getting some movements in for my body. So it doesn't feel that clocked up, but really like a little bit of like room in my body. Feel a little bit expansion, and slowly come to the front of the mat, and then sit down. Slowly sit down and roll to the back. Sit to the back, roll to the back, come to your floor, come to your back, however you're coming down right now. I'm doing great. Our timing is in sync today. I always love when I get to practice yoga and exercise with you. My lucky day, unfortunately, it's only going for 10 minutes, my friend. But if you have any questions, I will be here for you for a bit. So come into Shavasana, extend your legs, feet are facing away from each other, arms are lying by your sides, palms are pointing up. And tuck your chin in, lift your head up, tuck your chin in a little bit and release your head down again. Good. And we are doing Shavasana because we want to tell our whole being that right now we did some physical practice and that we are right now already coming back out of it. your eyes closed. We'll get you back out of it in just about 30 seconds. Glad that you're joining in, Mika. Everybody who's joining in, doing a great job for yourself. Deepening your breath. Start to move your fingers. Start to move your toes. Whenever you feel ready, bring your knees in towards your belly and come back to your body. From there, shift yourself to either the left or the right side. Coming to lie down on your side body. In this side body position, release all the tension. Make it feel comfortable for yourself. Softening the skin of the face. Releasing all the tension in your tongue, in your chin, in your neck, in your shoulders. Oh, the shoulders. The arms, the elbows, the wrists, the fingers. The chest, the belly, the hips, your whole spine, your whole back. Release all the tension. In your legs, in your knees, in your ankles, in your heels, in your toes. Did I see heels twice? It's alright. Release all the tension throughout your body. Breathe in deep into your belly, into your chest. Nurturing your whole being. As you're breathing out, feel how you're rooting down to the floor. Feel how the gravity is carrying you, holding you. With your next inhale, lift yourself up by your side. Come into a final sitting position. And whenever you arrive, also try to have your eyes still closed. But whenever you arrive, bring your hands in front of your heart together. Honoring this physical practice. Bow your head in front of your heart. Wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are, whenever you're practicing. I hope to see you very, very soon again. Namaste. Release your arms. Opening your eyes again. How do you feel right now? Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions or anything else to add right now, feel free. Other than that, just feel in to your body, how your body feels, how you're doing. If you feel like moving in a certain way, move in a certain way. You know, we didn't do any cat-cow. Maybe you wanted to do a little bit cat-cow. Hello, Jamie. Good to see you. Oh, shirtless stream. Very nice. This is the first shirtless stream we're doing here. I just kind of like picked up the microphone and was like, yeah, fuck it. I don't want to wear a t-shirt. I don't feel that good today, unfortunately. So we are having a really, really short yoga lesson. If you have any more questions, let me know. Otherwise, we're slowly going to raid somebody. Namaste. Even after a short session, I feel better, balanced. Please rest and recuperate, my beautiful friend. Appreciate it. Appreciate it, Mika. You know? Lots of love and blessings out to you. And again, I like to tell everybody in here, we are going off schedule right now. I don't think I will be able to stand up more tomorrow morning and really do yoga. So we are going off schedule. If you like to join in, I will send you via the Discord like when we're going to do yoga.